The purpose of coming here is to give a memorandum to our MLA because we want him to lead us into getting this approved. We don't want this select committee. We don't want this advisory committee. Select committee is already in place. We don't want whatever they are doing now. We know what is good for our children. Let us decide. We know what is good for them, what is bad for them. So let them leave this decision to the parents.
Okay, what is your medium of instruction you are fighting for?
We want English for the children. We are not opposing any other language. Konkani will never die, Marathi will never die. But
One subject is compulsory.
yes, but without English, our children will be nowhere. Even in Goa, forget about other places. Even in Goa, without English, our children doesn't have any future.
आमकां आमची कोंकणी भास एकदम मोगाची. आमी सगळीं कोंकणी भाशेन शिकल्यांत वाडल्यांत, पूण इंग्लीश भास आमकांय गरजेची. इट इज अ नीड. It is not what we want, but it is our need for our children to grow in their future, because that is what we see as, because the future requires that they should learn in English, and both the languages are important so that the child understands the love for its motherland as well as to go in the future, maybe for further prospects for their future. And therefore I stand that English is equally important as well as Konkani.
This government has formed a committee for the sake of this MOI. We have come to oppose that.
Oppose that.
Yeah.
So you all want Konkani as a medium of instruction or
We
English?
want English.
We want in English, the medium of instruction for the children. As they are, it's finding difficult for the children to come in Konkani.
So you all don't want Konkani as a medium?
No, don't want as a Konkani as a medium of instruction. We don't want. It's coming hard for the children.
तर खाली स्कुलान शिकयता खरें, पण मराठी हिंदी बाहेर वयतले आनी आमचे भुरगे कामाक वयतले या खंय वयता इंग्लीश उलोवपाक येता काय आनी कितें इंग्लिशान बरोवपाक येता, इंग्लिशाच्या हितूनूच विचारता, इंग्लिशानूच उलयता. आमी सगळे सारके इंग्लीश शिकून ना ते म्हणून आमी आतां त्रासान आसा. आतां आमचे भुरगे सुद्दां तशे त्रासान पडपाचे इच्छा कोणाक ना, ते म्हणून आमकां इंग्लीश भुरग्यांक शिकून जाय.